Dealing with the Adriatic squid, suck the juices out of those.
Oh, it looks amazing. Dobar tek.
Today we'll go to Andrea's house.
And what are we gonna do there?
We will cook.
Can you say hi everybody and welcome back to our channel?
Hi everybody.
So today we have a special video planned. We are at Andrea Pisatz's house, and she is the author of 2 amazing Croatian cookbooks. So we're gonna have a little lunch with her today. We're gonna prepare a wonderful meal together, right? And show you all how to do it. So let's go get going on the day, huh?
Yes.
Hello! Are you ready?
I'm on camera already. Come on. Dobrodošle.
Hvala. So on the menu today we have lignje I blitva. Dobrodošla Sara. Baš lijepo. So we're gonna jump right in and get started. Oli, what are we making today? Can you tell everyone?
Blitva and krompiri.
And what else?
I don't know.
Lignje.
Yeah, lignje.
So our first step is to cut up this fresh blitva, which is really just like a Swiss chard.
Lots of people just remove the stems, but the stems are really nice because once we cook blitva, they stay just a little bit crunchy, and so they kind of texturize the blitva, which is supposed to be like creamy with potatoes. But we have to cook the stems together with the potato because they take longer.
Break it, you can make it. Ah!
Good job.
And this one goes.
Where is this dish traditionally eaten?
Well, it comes from the coast, but nowadays everybody knows how healthy blitva is, and you will find it in restaurants all around Croatia, so you can even serve it as a side dish to meat. So it's basically all around Croatia.
Actually, Baka, Olivia's grandma, makes blitva as a side dish, blitva and krumpira, blitva and potatoes, as a side dish to lešo meso. So she'll do like the meat in the pot basically that she makes soup with, and then she'll have that meat as the main part, and then the blitva and krumpira as a side dish to that. What's your favorite dish, Andrea, to eat? Favorite Croatian dish to eat?
Škampi na buzaru.
They're jako fino. I tried that also in Split. We made that with Chef Željko, and that was absolutely delicious. I have to agree with you, that is such a good dish.
You can't eat that with cutlery, you have to use your fingers.
Absolutely.
And you have to suck the juices out of those heads, and you have to make a mess of yourself.
My favorite Croatian dish. What's Mommy's favorite Croatian dish? Let me think.
Oil.
Oil. Just oil. Just drinking straight oil.
Bread and oil.
Yeah, I do like bread here. It's delicious. I do like the olive oil. It's fantastic. I do really love this blitva and krumpira. It's one of my favorite side dishes here. Oh, there's like so many good dishes.
My favorite dish is juha.
Juha, like a real Croat.
Tell us about your cookbooks, Andrea.
So last year we released the second cookbook, this one, Croatian Classics. It has 100 traditional Croatian dishes, but savory dishes, because the one before has all the desserts from Croatia. So the cookbook covers dishes from every corner of Croatia. So there are like continental dishes, dishes from the coast, from Istria, from eastern Croatia, Slavonia and Baranja.
Really nice pictures of every recipe, descriptions of everything, and super easy steps to follow. So super great cookbook with all the classics. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to get yourself a copy of this cookbook, or the one with the desserts, which is also amazing. So Andrea's just dicing up the potatoes now to boil with the blitva, and then we're gonna add some fresh garlic after. Smells so good. I love, love, love fresh garlic. It's gonna be so tasty inside of this delicious dish. Who likes garlic, Lily?
My grandpa. He likes salsa garlic. And my grandma.
And Baka also. Baka and Vida.
So cubed potatoes and blitva stems. And they cook for 15 minutes, and then only after 15 minutes we put the blitva leaves.
Because they take faster to cook, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
We don't want to kind of overcook them. They need to stay nice and fresh. Okay,
Ready?
off to the stove.
Healthy dose of salt.
Yes.
Okay, while the blitva and krumpiri boil on the stove, we're going to get to the lignje.
So this is called the Adriatic squid.
And they're so big.
Yeah, and this is the body of this. They're cleaned already.
Okay.
We had the fishmonger clean them.
Okay. And you got them this morning fresh at the market?
Yes, fresh at the market. This is like a really big squid, much bigger than what you get in like from Patagonia.
Yeah.
And this is the tentacles, so that's part of the squid's head. And the way to recognize that you're dealing with the Adriatic squid is you have to have these two longer tentacles. If you don't see the longer tentacles, it's not the Adriatic squid.
Really?
Yeah, it uses
Interesting.
the long ones to catch its prey.
Interesting.
It has 8 small tentacles and 2 long ones.
Very
so altogether
cool.
10 tentacles.
I didn't know that. That's really, really cool. So, if you're looking to find out if your squid is from the Adriatic, look for the really long tentacles. Very cool.
You will taste now when Nikita grills them.
Yeah.
They get all like really crunchy.
Okay.
And they're so tasty. But some people think that because they look like really weird and they get all squeamish about tentacles. And when I was a kid, my grandma used to fry squid, and then she would say, "Oh, okay, I know you kids, you don't want to eat tentacles because they look so horrible, so I'll take everything on my plate." And then only years later we realized
You're taking the best part.
So don't be squeamish about the tentacles.
I'm gonna try this, but not this.
You're not gonna try the tentacles?
Oh, and another thing is that some people, like also like in high-end restaurants, they will peel this purple skin.
Okay.
Because you can actually do it, you see?
Yeah.
But I don't do it because this tastes so nice. It gives this like really kind of sweet flavor to the squid, and I always leave the skin on.
Cool. Okay, so Nikita has now prepared this nice seasoning mixture that will go on the lignje.
So it's basically olive oil, salt, and pepper.
We're gonna be doing the grilling here on the balcony, which is amazing because it's all just right here. Nikita has a great little grill out here and he's gonna grill the squid for us. So we are excited to see that happen. And check out Andrea's cute little garden on the balcony that's filled with spring onions.
Ready for Easter.
I'm just making some painting on the lignje.
You're brushing.
We're brushing lignje, and then the side that I brush, I always put the side with the wings down first.
Beautiful artwork.
Yeah, isn't it? The best one. I love this one. And you don't put the petals.
Tentacles.
What?
Tentacles.
Tentacles. You don't put them before you flip on the other side because they are ready in 7 minutes. Yes.
You mustn't overcook it because that's the only. That's how squid gets chewy. So it needs to stay really mellow and soft.
Do you want to help me?
Oh,
Please. Okay.
there you go. Good
Like
job, Ollie.
That's it. Second one. Just brush it over.
Look at you go, girl. I can say it's already starting to smell delicious from really the moment you put it on the grill. So it looks so good. Cannot wait to try.
We're going to check it a little bit.
So now it looks like the squid is ready to flip. So that's when you know that it's done, if it has some good grill marks.
Yes,
like,
grill
okay,
marks.
okay.
It has to be like really stripy.
There you go. Perfect.
You know what I'm doing?
Painting.
Painting the squids.
Here comes the tentacles. It's also just like the most beautiful sunny day for this. It really worked out to be a good day, didn't it? What could be better?
Oh, you need a glass of wine.
Yeah, just a glass of wine.
That's missing.
That's in the house. I'll go get it right now and all will be good. Cheers. Yummy.
The leaves go in now because the potato is almost done. 5 more minutes. Who is the chef? Who is the sous chef in this house? We take turns. It basically just needs to wilt like young spinach.
All right, how's it going out here?
It's almost finished.
All right. Oh, those look delicious.
Faster than light.
No. He's always bringing dirty dishes in the kitchen, and I say no, no. This is done now.
Looks good?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Plenty of olive oil. Plenty. Black pepper.
Fresh garlic. Ooh, that looks good. Oh, it looks amazing.
We cooked this.
Uh-huh.
But in the cookbook, I served blitva with boiled eggs because this is a perfect vegetarian meal. And here we go.
Nice. Cannot wait to try. Perfect. Dobartek svima.
Dobartek svima.
Dobartek.
Nikita is already eating. He's
Of course,
hungry.
I'm hungry. I prepared it for hours. Didn't I?
Nicely flavored. Deliciously fresh. Blitva, krumpira. Perfection. Especially with the garlic. Just adds such a nice flavor.
Yeah, I think the best compliment you can get is complete silence. And just the sound of cutlery. Cheers.
Cheers.
Everyone has cleared their plates and Nikita has prepared a special surprise dessert.
Strawberries, cream, and ice cream.
Chocolate ice cream.
We always make messes.
Let me see you. Let me see you. How you did? 1, 2, 3. Ah, no, it's not the way. You have to push it on your face. Look like this. You see? Now you look good.
So we have now finished our beautiful, beautiful meal. Thank you guys so much for preparing this amazing.
All the wine glasses are empty.
Yes.
But we are going to open a new bottle.
No, and I think now the most appropriate thing is just to have an afternoon nap called fiaca, of course.
I'm going first.
Absolutely. So thank you guys so much for such a wonderful, wonderful day. We had such a fun time here.
You're welcome the next time as well.
Yeah, see ya.
Thank
All of you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Oli, did you have a good time?
Yep.
Did you have a nice dessert?
Yes.
Yes. Was that your favorite part?
Yes.
Thanks again for watching, everybody. We'll see you all later.
Bye.
Mommy, we'll come here another time.